Hi, everybody. I hope you are well. I wanted to give you an update on what I know about the AP exam. If you are taking the AP exam, the new AP exam date is Tuesday, May 19th at 1 p.m., and that will be an online based test. The test will consist of two free response questions. The first one will be 25 minutes, then a 5-minute break to upload your FRQ. Then there will be a 15-minute FRQ, and then another 5 minutes to upload for a 45-minute total. The FRQ can be handwritten, where you can handwrite and you can then upload a picture, or you can type it directly into the program that College Board is releasing. This information came out last Friday, April 3rd, and I promised I would update you when I figured everything out. There is a YouTube channel that I've posted on Google Classroom. I'll share it again, where they are going to start doing, they have started doing a bunch of review things so far. And as soon as I find out more information about what will be included on the FRQs, I will be happy to share that with you. I also plan on us doing some more practice FRQs in class and reviewing FRQ style material to prepare you for the AP exam. I think that's all for my notes, but AP College Board is designing their own sort of portal that you will be able to take the test on and upload that test to. That information will be coming out closer to the test, and they will have demo videos of how that works when it comes out. So if you have any other questions, please let me know, and hope you're well. Talk to you soon. Bye.